How to split cells in Google Sheets. Hey everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to split cells in Google Sheets. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. So in this example, we have two numbers separated by a space, comma and semicolon. All we need to do is click the cell and then click the data. Then click split text into columns. And then we are gonna click space, and now the two numbers are separated in different cell. So we are gonna do the same thing for the comma data split text into columns. Now I am going to do it for last time. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.